Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I try out different hack methods for mobile games so you don't waste your time on stuff that doesn't work. Today I tested a hack that supposedly gives you unlimited gems and energy in Klondike Adventures, all from your phone. I tried it myself from start to finish, achieved real results, and I'll tell you exactly what happened. The first thing the tool wants is player ID. You can find it inside your Klondike Adventures profile or in the settings section. I just copied mine so I'd have it ready. Super simple, nothing confusing at all. Next, I went to a website that hosts a lot of hacks for popular mobile games and searched for the unlimited gems and energy option for Klondike Adventures. The website looked pretty simple, a standard layout. Nothing fancy, but clear enough to understand. On the next screen, I entered my player ID, chose my platform, I'm on Android, and tapped Connect. The tool started running some checks and showed progress as it tried to link up with my account. Everything ran smoothly. No weird errors or anything suspicious. After that, it let me choose how many resources I wanted. I went for a large amount just to see if it would actually deliver. When I hit Generate, it started processing, loading bars, syncing messages, all that stuff. Then, it asked me to finish a quick verification before it could finish. The verification part was pretty straightforward. I followed the instructions exactly so the process wouldn't get interrupted. It only took about a minute or two, and then it marked the verification as complete. When I returned to the Klondike Adventures, I checked my gems and energy. And yep, the new amount was already there. It matched exactly what I selected earlier. It showed up right away without needing to reload anything. So yeah, based on my test, this method did work. I got the resources after doing the quick verification step. As always, follow the steps properly and make sure you're using safe and legit sources if you try it. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and leave a like, share it, and subscribe for more honest mobile hack method tests. I might check this method again in a few days to see if it still holds up. Let me know in the comments if you want that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.